Welcome to the next episode of Amplify with Aarti. Today we have a very, very special guest, Professor Amlan. Professor Amlan, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Aarti. How are you doing?
I am doing good, Amlan. How are you?
Super. Thank you.
So let me take this opportunity to introduce Professor Amlan. He's an author, he's a teacher, he's a trainer, and he is the founder of Aravali Bangalore. So let's know more about Professor Amlan and ask him certain questions. And I am really, really honored to have you on my show.
Pleasure.
So, Amlan, just tell me that you started this Aravali Bangalore in COVID times. How did this thought came to your mind that you should start this in such an uncertain time? Didn't you feel a risk or fear whether it will be successful or whether it will not be successful?
This question is not just for the interview, Aarti. This question will come back again and again to my life. It's a question in my life, in fact. Pandemic doesn't come in everyone's lifetime. And I think we are lucky or unlucky, whatever it is. We have seen this particular phase. And last year, that is 2020, the main COVID year, when it came, February, March, I told my younger colleague, his name is Ramnath, he's a big support to me. I told him that now entire training and education business is going to nosedive. It will fall. I was teaching economics in Jain University. I told in my class also, I said, I don't know about other industries like IT, banking, etc., but this particular sector will definitely nosedive. Taking admissions in hundreds, this will stop in school, college, everything. It has happened. So I told my business partner, you can say, Ramnath Iyer, I said, I'll just go back to one of my employers, old employers, where the college is not running right now for 8 years. Because in the middle, that the graph of MBA admissions, it fell down. So I contacted my ex-employer, his name is Professor Varun Arya, a great guy. I said, sir, I can start in Bangalore. He said, in this particular scenario, how can you start? And financially, I can't help because this is not a great time. I said, we will do it. Because I told Ram that when this lockdown happens and such kind of a scenario comes, only two things can happen. My thing, digital marketing, and your thing, business analytics. Sit at home and do it in your laptop. He agreed. This is how we actually thought about it.
Oh, nice. And I am so proud to see that the college is doing so well and all the students of the first batch have already been placed, 100% placement. So nice. वो होता है ना कि अगर कुछ ठान लिया है तो करके ही दिखाएंगे and that I can see in you.
Just now you said the term 100%. So we also began last year saying 100%. उसके बाद हमने देखा in various brochures of colleges they write 100%. 100% placement नहीं होता है. उसमें लिखा रहता है 100% placement support, assurance, blah blah etc. So we actually thought about it, and what we have done now is we have deleted that 100%. This year onwards, we are writing in our brochure first page itself 200% placement. 100% we do after 1 year. All are placed in paid internships. Internship packages are coming more than final placements of MCA MBA. It's coming like 30,000, 40,000 highest. So after this, next year we'll place them in final placement. That is mathematically 200%. ये कोई gimmick नहीं है. Mathematically it is 200%.
So nice, so nice. I always tell you that you are my inspiration because not only the career, but also you follow your passion and you sing so well. So why not you hum a little 2 lines for our audience?
While talking about Aravali and my business, it's really awkward and a new thing that you are telling me to sing. Fine, I'll sing 2-3 lines. Is it fine? Rain clouds in the sky. I don't know why they make me blue when I'm thinking of you. Maybe they want to cry as I walk on by, hiding my tune in a low laughter. Dhinta dhinta dhina natir, dhinta dhinta dhina natir, dhinta dhinta dhina natir, dhinta dhinta re na re na. Raindrops then dance, a strange kind of romance. I don't know why they cry out loud, but I feel it fun. Watch the rhythm of the rain falling down. बस ठीक है.
Very nice, very nice. मुझे लगा कोई किशोर कुमार का गाना सुनने को मिलेगा. That was a pleasant surprise because I have heard your concerts, your lives, and your shows where you sing a lot of Kishore Kumar songs. So how do you grab these opportunities with your career? How do you maintain this balance?
Okay, here I would like to really thank our Bengali community, जिन्होंने दुर्गा पूजा वगैरह स्टार्ट किया था. And when I came to Bangalore, I was new. That time actually they gave me a stage to perform songs of Tagore, Rabindranath ji, and I sang there. That time a lot of people came to me. The association people said that please join as a member, etc., etc. So I became a very big member actually. Right now I'm an organizer of the Durga Puja, etc. I do social promotions, etc. And they gave me a stage. And seeing that many other Durga Puja, Diwali, Marwari Manch, कोई भी है सब लोग बुलाना चालू कर दिए. And then it happened like Forum Mall called me, 9 years event they called me, Bombastic Events they called me, and one of the best till now, I'll tell you, just BLR pub exactly opposite McDonald's in Brigade Road, they called. But the achievement till now stands as my performance was there with Bangalore Times. It came in the newspaper also. So that was the best impact.
I'm so happy to see that. And all the youngsters who are listening to Amlan, just see, God will give you opportunities. It is your time to recognize them and just grab them. If you'll keep thinking, acha karta hu, nahi karta hu, things will not go your way. So it's very, very important to recognize what all opportunities come your way. That's so inspiring, Amlan. And now another aspect of that you write books. You're an author. Please tell me something about your books and to the audience as well.
See, Aarti, a few people try to call me multi-talented. Actually, I'm not multi-talented. I do only one thing in my profession, bread and butter, teaching. Teaching, training, teaching, training. That means same thing, talking, delivering the classes. That is my bread and butter. And I have only two hobbies. One is singing. That really relieves my stress. कोई भी stress or tension हो, गाना गाता हूँ ना, mood एकदम ठीक हो जाता है. And writing comes automatically to me. Here I would like to really thank my mom and dad. I'll tell you how. Because both of them write. Interestingly, when I was a child, I used to wake up with a pleasant surprise in front of me. Morning Northeast Times, editorial page, English article by Satyesh Ranjan Bhattacharya, my father. तो ये सब देख के बड़ा हुआ ना. What happens is it impacts you. तो प्रोफेसर बनने के बाद मुझे लगा कि प्रोफेसर की अगर किताब रहे ना, then people really get inclined to that person. कि एक प्रोफेसर है, वो सिर्फ इधर उधर से बुक डाउनलोड नहीं करता है, इधर उधर से लेता नहीं है, उसकी खुद की बुक है. So that matters. मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. So that's why I write.
And tell us, the audience, about your books. What are the title of the books? What is the content? Just a main idea, not too much detail, just a little bit about your books.
Yeah, my number one critic is my wife, actually sitting at my home. She is a great help. Because of her only I do all this entire activities, bunch of activities actually, because she's a great support. She's a corporate lady, but let me tell you, she criticizes always whatever I write in my book, because the book is called The Dad of Conspiracy Theories. Very controversial things are there. That is the other side of the history. So it's non-fiction. The Dad of Conspiracy Theories is available in Amazon, in Kindle format also. And it's a pleasant surprise that Indians hardly buy it. Even my friends and relatives, they also do not buy it. The purchase reports I get from Japan, Australia, sometimes US, sometimes UK, etc. So that's what actually I get to see in Amazon. You can see actually who has purchased from which place, etc. So I see the readers are from different parts of the world because a lot of global issues are written over there, like World War One, World War Two, then Nobel Prize scam, such kind of things. So I think the takers are not in our society. Takers are somewhere else.
So nice, so nice. I see how multi-talented. He's just being humble, audience.
No, no,
A professor,
no.
a singer, a author,
That's all.
and always a very, very positive and a contented person. You will not see Amlan sad. He's full of life, and whenever you give him a call, he's like full of life. So that's the reason for bringing Amlan to this show now, because in any difficult time, you'll see a big smile on his face. That's the beauty. So, Amlan, on this note, give our viewers, the youngsters especially, some amplification mantra of your life, some advices to the young people.
Okay. Generally, I don't give unsolicited advice, but because you are telling and you have got a lot of followers, I've seen. So, थोड़ा तो advice बनता है because I am now, little older. So, first advice is not to go with the crowd. The crowd will be going somewhere. जैसे अभी कोविड की बात हो रही है तो पूरे दिन कोविड को लेकर बात करते हैं. Not that. Say or think something different. कि सब लोग बात कर रहे हैं, मुझे वही बात करनी है या फिर कुछ और करना है. This is number one advice. Do not go with the crowd. क्योंकि जो crowd है, जो trending है, उसके साथ बैठने से कोई फायदा नहीं है. I and Ramnath would have never started an MBA college with infrastructure. But COVID came, we started with a small training center. Admission भी चल रहा है, placement भी चल रहा है. Small thing. We thought कि इस समय सारा बंद है, कुछ नया चालू करते हैं. So that's what actually we need to do. I think all the youngsters shocked what is happening with trending topics. मुझे लगता है, one more thing that is being tensed, worried, or sad, pressurized. That thing is a choice. I think you will also agree because I also see you always smiling and always very happy. And during this COVID time, actually, you started Amplify with Aarti. So I'd like to really tell that young people, you can actually decide whether you are upset, pressurized, tensed, what it is. So it's a decision. If we think that we are not pressurized, we are not stressed, we are not tensed, things start just right there. So this is an advice. I think I have told one don't, one do. Done.
So well said. So well said. Think positive and things will turn positive. And in fact, I keep telling people, stop telling this is the difficult time. You're already said the time is difficult. If you say, okay, this is COVID times, don't put it in the box of this difficulty already. So you're already attaching a negative framework with that, and your mind will think, yes, this time is difficult. If you have to think it's normal as well. It's just a virus.
Exactly.
We will deal with it. Thank you, high five. We will deal with it and we will come out of it and we'll all sail through it. It's just a virus. So nice. So, Amlan, I would like to ask you certain rapid fire question. I want to play a quick game with you so that one word answer or one sentence. And
अभी थोड़ा celeb type feel होने लगा है. Rapid fire.
You are a celebrity already. So let me ask you these questions. So good to go?
Yeah.
Okay. So describe Amlan in one word.
Trailblazer.
Yes. Your biggest challenge in life.
Biggest challenge is to keep my network together. कि कोई इधर उधर चला ना जाए. All should be together. My faculty, my students, my well-wishers, my family members, my friends. सब एक साथ रहे. It's a big challenge. सबको लेके मैं चलूं.
Well said. Your favorite food?
My favorite food is very strange actually. It is full hot rice with ghee and थोड़ा सा नमक डाल के. जबरदस्त favorite है मेरा बचपन से.
Okay, I was expecting being a Bengali, I will hear a fish or something.
ये भी Bengali है, but it's different.
Okay, your favorite book and author?
Okay, fantastic point. My most favorite book is Glimpses of World History by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Though I am not a Nehru supporter or Congress guy or something, I seriously want to advise people to read that. You will have a broad idea about the entire globe. I love that book.
Your best memory in life till now?
Best memory till now is when I actually came back from abroad, because all the people said you are a fool, you are coming back. बहुत सारे लोगों ने बोला, फैमिली का अंदर भी बाहर भी. But I actually rediscovered myself by coming here. क्योंकि यहाँ पे ना बहुत कुछ होता है अपने देश में. जुगाड़ स्ट्रेटेजी है ना, नेटवर्क कहीं भी मिल जाता है, पुराने लोग मिल जाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई लव माई एलुमनाई ऑफ अरावली, जो जोधपुर वाले राजस्थान पे. दे लव मी, आई लव देम इक्वली. दे आर अ ग्रेट सपोर्ट. तो ये जो मिलता है ना, सो माई मेमोरी इज व्हेन आई केम बैक. क्रिटिसिज्म था, बट आई रीडिस्कवर्ड माई सेल्फ.
What is the first thing that you do in the morning when you get up?
Morning, what I do is very strange. It might sound narcissistic. I come near the mirror and I look at myself.
That's a good thing.
मुझे अच्छा लगता है. ये ब्रश करने के लिए नहीं आता हूँ, शेव करने के लिए नहीं आता हूँ. ये मुझे खुद को देख के ठीक लगता है. थोड़ा देख लेता हूँ.
Self-love is the biggest love. If you can't love yourself, you will never be able to love anybody.
बिल्कुल.
That's something very well said. Very well. One value that you can't give upon. You say life is not possible without that value.
Okay, that I'll tell you, transparency. In fact, I tell my students also. कुछ दिन पहले ऐसा हुआ कि एक सेलिब्रिटी है हॉलीवुड के, गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स वाले, है ना? He came and he says, I am James Faulkner Ram, Amlan, you are doing great. All my wishes for your students. सब लोगों ने बोला वाह वाह. आज मेरे स्टूडेंट्स ने भी बोला मेरी क्लास में. मैंने कहा वो मैंने पैसे से खरीदा है, तो मुझे नहीं जानता. Transparency.
Very important to be honest in your dealings.
Transparent. बता दो कि क्या कर रहा हूँ. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि ट्रिक में छुपा के रखा हूँ. मैं बोला कि नहीं हॉलीवुड वाले मुझे जानते हैं. कुछ नहीं है. पैसा डाला, वीडियो आ गया.
Your role model?
My role model is Ray Kroc. Now the name is very different because people think that McDonald's का जो founder है उसका नाम भी McDonald ही होगा, but it is not. Okay, I would like to suggest, apart from book, that everyone who wants to do a business or want to do branding, they can at least see the movie The Founder. It is on Ray Kroc, how he made McDonald's the number one food chain, restaurant chain in the world. My role model is Ray Kroc. Yeah.
And one last question. Aravali would not have been possible without that one person, other than you.
That is definitely, Varun Arya sir. I would like to tell, he is IIT Delhi and IIM Ahmedabad alumnus. A great person. I don't know how many people love their bosses or follow their bosses, but मेरी कुछ हरकतों से आजकल मुझे लगता है कि मैं उनकी तरह बन रहा हूँ. He started Aravali 21 years back, and today I have started Aravali Bangalore. I think his values and his ethics, those things have impacted me largely.
Very nice.
एक और नाम बोल सकता हूँ?
बिल्कुल जरूर.
My wife is a big help for that, because my wife was a big help for it, because I and Ram are running, but she is holding the fort. I'll tell you, because at home she manages everything. She works, she has a regular salary, so all the experimentation that we are doing is supported by this lady.
Hats off, and hats off to you on a platform such as YouTube. You are praising your wife. Very few men do that. So indeed, your wife is very lucky to have a man like Amlan in her life. That I can say that, and all women listening to me would agree to this statement of mine.
Thank you.
Okay, so we have come to an end, but when we are talking and taking an interview of a singer, because I was so keen on hearing a Kishore Kumar song, so I would not like to end the interview without hearing a Kishore Kumar song.
ठीक है, इसमें योडलिंग है, तो योडलिंग से किशोर कुमार वाला इफेक्ट आएगा. नखरे वाली, ओ नखरे वाली, नखरे वाली, देखने में देख लो है कैसी भोली भाली। अजनबी ये छोरियां दिल पे डाले टोरियां, अजनबी ये छोरियां दिल पे डाले टोरियां, मन की काली समा गई दिल में, वो तो कोई और थी जो आंखों से समा गई दिल में। डिडलिए डुडलुओ, डिडलिए डिडलिए डुडलुओ, डिडलिए। ठीक है?
Thank you so much
Alright.
For coming and gracing my show. It was a pleasure hosting you. And to all
Pleasure
my
is all mine.
to all my viewers, please do subscribe to my channel for watching more such interesting conversations. And stay tuned and let's amplify with Aarti with a thought in your mind. Think positive, stay positive, be positive, and always smile. And live your dreams and passion like this man. And you will see the change happening in your life. Thank you so much, viewers, for joining in. And thank you, Amlan, for coming and gracing the show.
Thank you. Take care, Aarti.
Thank you.